Hi, I'm Mike with FoxFury Lighting. Today I'm going to show you how to open and close the Nomad 360. First, open the light head cover by sliding it up into the locked position, exposing the lower legs. Each leg will have an indentation where your fingers will fit inside, locking the legs in place. Open the cap, slide down the light head cover, exposing the light. As I extend it, we have 3 tightening rings. This will extend it up to 8.5 feet tall. The lower one is right down here, covered by the legs, so you only see it when the legs are opened. Right now we have it in 360 degrees. By putting my fingers underneath the light, opening up the panels, I've now changed it into 180 degree lighting. Below grade or above grade, also spot or diffused. The power button is located at the bottom. Low, medium, high, and soft strobe. If you look at the bottom of the leg, I'm able to extend it out for uneven elevations, up to 6 inches. And also on the bottom of the unit itself, we have a D-ring and a strap. We can use that to anchor off the light in high wind situations. To close it, super simple. Loosen up the tightening rings. Slide the light head down into the cap, secure it in, raise the cap, unlock the legs where the white arrow indicator is located, take the weight off the legs, lock the light head cap into place, and you're good to go.